Hi, today I'm going to show you how you can delete Google contacts from your Google account. So right now I'm at the official contactsgoogle.com website. So it's contacts.google.com. And you can see I have an example contacts here set up. Now, the thing you just need to do if you want to delete this account, you just have to hover over it and you'll see there's a play button here. You can click on more actions and then you can click on delete like this, right? And then it'll show something like this, delete from contacts. This contact will be permanently deleted from this account after 30 days. Now, this doesn't mean that you'll actually delete it, right? It'll just be moved to the recycle bin, something familiar with your laptop or your PC, right? So if I click on move to trash, it'll say that it's deleted, but it's actually not deleted. It's still on trash here. And then you can actually still recover the contacts, right? Just wait for it to load. Now you see, it's still here. You can click on recover here if you want to. But if you want to permanently delete the contact, you just need to click on this checkbar here and then click on delete forever. Click on delete forever. Click on continue. And then you'll have to add in your password first. Let me type in my password. And then you'll see it'll be deleted in just a second. There you go. Once it's deleted, you'll see a setup like this. It has been permanently deleted. If you like this video, please consider liking and subscribing.